Alright, welcome back to another unboxing. This time we're going to do a couple of vlogging, TikTok type
Kids
stuff on a budget to show you guys what you guys can get with a couple dollars. So first we got the social media kit. I want to say it was about 10 bucks at Walmart. And we also have this right here that was definitely hard to get from Walmart.com. I've seen it sell for double the price. We paid around 20 bucks. It includes a green screen and a smaller ring light, but also does multicolors, as you can tell right there. So it definitely has a lot of options. So for somebody that wants to start, this is a great starter product right here.
And I wanted it really bad for Christmas.
There you go. Alright, and last but not least, we have this right here. Little green screen. Right there. I got this at 5 and below. So we'll pull them out, a couple options, and if you guys want, if you have, all we know is about is Apple right now, so Apple iMovie works with green screen, so if you guys want, test that out and try it out. And alright, let's begin with the unboxing.
Don't want to break anything.
Yeah, that's alright. This right here, as you guys can see, right there, it's a miniature ring light. It has a white, it has the warm light color, and it has a, I want to say, both of them. Alright, and this, all you do is clip it on your phone, like that, and bam.
Wow, crazy.
Flip it on your side. Bam! You're making TikTok and dropping like it's hot, you know what I mean? Alright, here you go.
Put in the little compartment.
Let me put it back. Came with that, all that was included for 10 bucks. Right here, lanyard, because you don't want to drop your stuff, you know what I mean? Low USB to micro USB charger right here. I want to say that's for the little miniature ring light that it brings. And right here, standard phone holder that you can get just about anywhere. Also has the screw that normally is on all tripods, so you can definitely use this without this on a camera to hold a camera and stuff like that, or a GoPro if you got the adapter. Alright, here we go. Bam!
It's like a little tripod.
A little tripod. You can adjust your camera or your phone. See that right there? Put it on there like that. Spin around till it's tight. Don't over tighten it because it is plastic. Alright, bam. Put your phone in here. Make sure you're not hitting the SOS alarm button. Bam! There we go. Or you can close this up and use it as a handle right there. Get yourself, man, I'm looking alright. Alright, so there you go. A little tripod.
It's not as good as yours, though.
Yeah, it's not as good as mine, but mine's a little bit more
expensive.
pricier. On the budget, this works definitely good as a starter until you save up money for a bigger one. It's for people out there on a budget, so help them out.
I like people like me who just get their parents to get you stuff.
She was happy she got this one.
Yes.
This one's made by iJoy. Bam, bam. There you go. Alright, another thing we can show right there. You can use the ring light to clamp on everything. Laptop, iPad, Android tablets, whatever you want. So that's a good thing about it. Has a white, warm, and natural. That's what the colors are. Alright. So it includes the clip, tripod, clip-on ring light, charging cable, strap, and a user manual that really doesn't have too much information on it, but whatever. Just remember, don't do like I almost did. Almost tried to break it. You gotta like just separate them. There's a little slit right there, and bam, bam. That's how you gotta do it. All right. So, all right. Next one is the $5 one. Bam, green screen. That's all it brings right there. Brings that.
Try not to break it.
Bring these little clips, like laundry clips. right there to help you clip it onto something. Not a bad thing to include. Definitely help people out. I have a stand for my green screen, but for not, this will definitely help out. Especially if you're close to a window, you can put it on your blinds and stuff like that, or put tacks in the wall, and that will also help. So don't think just because you don't got a lot of money you can't do videos or do green screen and just play around with it. Good thing to try. Here's the green screen.
It's pretty big for 5
below.
Green screen.
Definitely big.
Whoa!
You can see through it, so it's not the thickest green screen.
I can see the camera. Hi.
Alright. But for $5, definitely not bad. Definitely not bad. So check it out.
Pretty big.
It's pretty nice. Pretty nice green screen. So alright, now we're gonna move on to the next one. That's basically all that came for $5. Easy way to get a green screen for $5 and get things rolling. Alright, here we go.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna open the last one, which is probably her favorite one.
Yes! I wanted this so bad. Green screen.
Alright, first things up is the green screen.
Hey!
As I can see already, this screen is definitely better quality. Alright. It's called the Video Maker Kit from Studio Creator 2.
I never had the first one.
Alright. It has great videos for TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Also has Snapchat, Facebook, and other apps with a star. It has 3 white modes, 8 color modes, and 1 multicolor mode. We'll see if we can cycle through all that. First and foremost is the green screen.
Yay!
Alright, here we go. That one is definitely a brighter green screen than mine's. Definitely, I would say it definitely opens up. Definitely opens up a lot longer.
It's really long.
Definitely a nice material. For $20, this and a ring light, definitely a good deal, especially for somebody who wants to start out. There's a green light. So here we go. Let's see. Bang. All right, hold on. Let me put this away.
So impatient. I'm so excited.
All right.
Instruction manual.
It has may be available for free for download, but be careful as paid versions and in-app purchases. So there we go. It will have adjustable height. You can go ahead and pull it out. It will have brightness, light mode, dimmer, and a power button.
I can get this open. I don't know what this
help?
is. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Oh, there's a ring light.
All right, here's your ring light.
It's so cute.
Now, this is her second ring light. We didn't do an unboxing on her first one. She has a 12-inch ring light. This is an 8-inch. This one does more color modes. So, we'll see. We'll have to do comparison. If you guys want us to show you the difference, because the other one was $20 too, but I've seen them on Walmart for like $30.
You're going to have to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications for
if you guys want to let us know in the comment below if you guys want us to see comparison. I have a little bit more expensive one. Right there.
Yeah, it's because he makes the money.
Mine's is, I don't know if you guys will be able to see
Whoa! Exposing.
There's a bigger ring light. Alright.
I got mine from Walmart.
Hers are from Walmart. Mine's from Amazon. If you guys want to know what type of ring light I have, let me know. But for starting out, this one is definitely perfect. Has a ring holder. Has adjustable thing right there.
For my phone.
Alright. You want to do vertical or horizontal recording, whichever one. Alright. Here's.
You want to plug it in?
Wrap it up. You got that stand?
Yes, I do. It's all the way at the
Can
bottom.
you give me that stand, please?
Ooh.
Well, I unravel that, and you take care of the stand.
Okay. I'm trying to break it.
You guys can see, the struggle's real.
Yeah, I'm about to break it. Ah! batteries.
All right. Here you go. If you would, plug this in, please.
Yeah, you can go set that up because I don't know what I'm doing.
The only downside is I thought this would have been a taller stand, but this is perfect for like a desktop or if you have a dresser. So,
Let's see.
It's 3.1, 31.5 inches. That's how high it goes. So that's perfect.
I got a
it'll
big
definitely be
dresser
perfect for a table, computer desk like I'm using right now. Definitely a nice setup. For the price, can't beat that. Alright, twist that out. There you go. Or go like that, whichever one's your preference. Right there, bam. Alright, this right here goes how tall, how short. Definitely got some good height
got
to
some
it.
good height.
I'll drop it down for purpose of the video so you guys can see. All
Oh,
right.
don't say you turned it on.
Hold on. There you go. And what you want to do is unscrew this right here. See that?
The little bulb.
All right, you put the ball. You put this in there and put the ball in there. There you go. Once you hear click, you want to screw it in. And more than likely, we'll turn it this way. That way it's easier for you to adjust the knobs while it's facing you. Definitely has plastic thread, so you do not want to there you go. If it's not, it doesn't want to go slowly, don't force it in there. Alright, and snug it a little bit. There you go. Perfect for a phone, right there.
Oh, it expands.
It goes up. You can either use that. Let me see if your phone fits in here. You got your phone in?
Oh.
With the larger phones, even with my ring light, it's definitely a struggle to fit it in there perfectly. But it fits in there. Definitely fits in there. You guys can see, bam. All the way. Alright. So we'll leave the phone in there just for purpose of the video. So there we go. And
I like how you can
power
bring it
button.
up too.
With the power button, bam.
Oh, you gotta wait.
There you go. There you go, little lights. You can see the power. You can see the brightness on it. So we'll take. Here you go. Take your phone out. So there you go.
Thank you.
All right. There you go. Bring the brightness up. Change the color. There you go.
Ah.
Alright, here we go. Ring light's on. We'll go through the color variations. There is brighter white. There's the warm light. And
you still can't see the green.
Green is, for some reason, it's very hard to see the green.
On the camera.
On the camera. Actually, it looks more like a yellow. Alright, yeah. I think you can see it more on us. There's green.
There's the green.
Alright, there's the green. See, it's hard to see on you, but when we face it on us, you can see our skin color turn to green. Alright, and there's blue.
Whoa! Papa Smurf.
Papa Smurf.
Oh, man.
That one looks pretty good. That was pretty good. Alright, go to the next color. That's like a pinkish magenta purple type color. And there's definitely a pink. Definitely good for making videos with different colors.
I like that.
The red one's nice. Alright. There's a darker red. And there's like an orange color. That one has a multicolor, a little bit of everything. And that's back to white. Alright, and then you have the dimmer. And that works for all settings. Alright. And if you would, turn on the light again.
Yep. I had to step on anything. There we are. Oh. My rifle spot.
Right. And that one it's pretty good ring light for 20 bucks. A lot of different colors, multicolor. We're using a regular iPhone type USB plug-in for this USB to fit in. And the power supply is working great on it. Definitely like all the different colors.
Wow.
Definitely nice. So now I might have to pick one of these up.
Don't steal mine.
No, I'm just kidding. Alright. Anything else you want to say?
No. Pretty good video.
All in all, this one was $20 with the green screen, so I want to say this is probably the better deal out of the three, because you get a stand that holds the phone, ring light with multicolors, not only brightness, multicolors, all for $20. Now I don't know what the price is now, but if it goes up a little bit or go down a little bit, it's still a good deal. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give thumbs up, like, subscribe, do what you must. Tell us what you like about the video.
If you would like to see more
content,
content.
let us know. Give us ideas, all right? Thank you guys, and consider subscribing again. Appreciate it. Have a good one.
Bye.